My name's Corey Tuckner. I'm a project manager at Grand Exteriors, and it's a beautiful Friday here out in Andover, and as you can see behind us, we're working on a home that was recently impacted by the storms that came through here in May. And we're going through, and we already have the whole roof torn off. It's about 11 o'clock right now. We're loading up with boom to have all of our shingles on the roof. A couple reasons we do that. It's gonna be a lot safer for the crew. We wanna make sure that people are going home every night safe. It's gonna be faster for everyone too. So when everything's loaded, they're not carrying things up the ladders. And yeah, looking at the roof here today, we should be in and out in one day. Yep, so at our job sites, you can see here, keep them very clean. We have someone walking around from our crew here all day. They'll be walking around the site, making sure that everything's cleaned up. Instead of kind of going through and just cleaning the job site up right at the end of the day, we want to make sure that we're constantly cleaning up throughout the day. As we get to the back, you'll see where our tarps are covering up the concrete, making sure that we're not going to be damaging any concrete for anyone here, not leaving any tar marks, anything like that. So we definitely do our best to make sure things are going to be in the condition when we leave as we were when we showed up. If you've been recently impacted by a storm here in this summer, we'd love to come out and check your home out for you. We do offer free inspections. Feel free to give us a call at 763-432-0826, or feel free to check us out at grandexteriorinc.com. We'd love to come out and check your home out and help you get to a brand new home.